Alright, so we are here to start a Rheem performance water heater. That thing is turned off, and there is the starter device we need to start it. There is the gas coming from this line, and we see the gas is turned off, so we're going to turn the gas on. Gas open. Now we should have gas, and then we go in here. Hope you can see the light here. So what we're going to do is this. We go here to pilot. We have to push the button in, push in, and then we have to push this button. We push it as often as the status light turns blue. Turn it off again. There we hear it. So we hear now an ignition down there. Now we see a blue light. Now I release it. See there? The blue light is gone. Now we go in here. We're turning the water to hot. Hot water. We can hear it. And the status light is lighting blue. Now, you noticed and saw that it took a while for it to start. So to me, it's no wonder that you guys are looking up how to start this thing, because you have difficulty starting it. Look at them. Blue light, as it shows here. Blue light means a normal operation.